Let's just check out a few more areas. Tissue, a few compartments and drawers in the room. Check out that area there. Sign there, I guess that could be a universal sign for outlets, plugs, and voila, take a look under there. Your outlets. Nice stool there, I guess, for getting ready. Book with room service information and menu items, as well as the mini bar menus. And then inside your refrigerator you will find it pre-stocked. We do have the drink packet, so I'm sure we can open up and drink as much as we want. Television. Then I'm sure these probably open some kind of way. Not the USA universal outlets, so that's why I always recommend bringing an electronic shaver, a rechargeable shaver or battery operated shaver for those type of instances. Hand soap, sink. Then it says kind of like an energy saving room, energy efficient. You do have to put your card in when you come into the stateroom to kind of turn on the air or the heat and for all the lights to work. And this is a no smoking stateroom. Cruise rooms on the cruise ships are non-smoking, even if you have a balcony. Then as always, the emergency instructions are on the door, and our life jackets are underneath the bed. One of the weird things is that there's really no place to hang towels. Like, I put a towel right there, I guess, for drying hands, since you have to come out the bathroom to wash your hands. But they do have a few hooks outside here. I guess if you wanted to hang up a towel outside here, you could use those areas. And then there's kind of a place right there you could use to hang a towel, but again, it might get wet while you're taking a shower. And then there's a typical line right there, clothing line, that you can use to hang swimming trunks and things like that. But when you got a balcony, if you need something to dry to, you can always set it outside on the balcony. Let's see what else. Underneath this couch area, there are extra blankets and pillows, so it does lift up and it is movable. And again, this is set up to be either a king or queen size bed. It's pretty big, but it's pretty much just two twin beds. So right here is the divider of the twin beds, to where they could be pushed apart to accommodate more guests. On your television in your stateroom, you can see things like the view from the bridge. They have a navigational info and live broadcast channel. Right now it's just showing the view from the bridge. We're still in port. They have the Epic Today channel that shows entertainment and some of the shows that they're gonna have during the cruise. They have the activities and information channel to show you all the activities that are going to be going on during your cruise. Shore and excursion channel to help you plan out what type of excursions you want to do when cruising. Have a channel that lets you know about onboard offerings. Channel for safety information while cruising. A lot of news stations, news channels.